Hey everyone, thought I'd share how to log into Clever step by step for you in case you have any questions. You start at clever.com, then click login as a student. When you come to this page, make sure it says Metro Nashville Public Schools. If it doesn't, then type in either that or Dan Mills and it should get you to where you need to go. You're going to click on Clever Badge and then your screen will pop up for a camera. If your device doesn't have a camera, then you'll need me to send you your email. So I have a picture of a badge that I just took on my phone. So then I'll show my phone to the screen and it'll log me in. Okay, and now I'm logged into Clever. Clever, you have access to every app that I've ever shared with you, and it's a one-click login. So if I want to go into Studies Weekly, I just click on that as the student, and automatically it pops up all of my social studies magazines to learn from. Okay, and then even extra grades that it has on there too. So a few more things about Clever Portal. There's teacher pages. So here's my page that I've created, and I'll be continuously adding things to it that I feel are most beneficial to the kids or I've mentioned to you. So there's happy numbers, a link to all my YouTube lessons. Here's Epic Books, which is great. It's just an online library. Here's Raz Kids, which is similar, more of a game feel to it. Cosmic Kids Yoga, practicing typing, and then Duolingo. The kids and I were practicing learning Spanish in class, and I thought they might enjoy that. A few other notable apps on Clever is Imagine Math and Imagine Language and Literacy. Those come highly recommended from teachers in our school. And then Quavers is another great resource. Ms. Folsom mentioned this the other day in our Zoom meeting. And then code.org, if your kid is interested in coding and creating things online, they have programs for younger elementary grades and it's all free. So when you're ready to log out, just click the name and click log out. And that is how you log into Clever and some useful apps and ways to use it. I hope that helped. Let me know if you have any questions.